My name is Samuel Karanja, and I run an agency called Brisk Marketing. So we majorly do two things, one of which is we supply branded promotional items to corporates, and then we also do experiential marketing.
My name is Ogake Mosomi, and I am a fashion designer specializing in custom-made bridal gowns. So I'm a bridal wear designer. There's a lot of women who are not able to get the kind of bridal gowns that they wanted, or gowns that suited their body types, or suited like more specific gowns.
My name is Mary Njue. I'm the Group CEO of Epicent Africa. Epicent Africa is an engineering firm in the areas of water pumping, water purification, and solar power.
I've always been clear from the start that I don't intend to be, the be-all and end-all for this business. I love what I do, but at the same time, I think it's important that it outlives me. And I think OMP very much embodies that feel, and that's what OMP is trying to drive you to do. And since the program, what has happened is I have learned to let go a bit more. I'm trying to empower my team in their role so that I don't feel like I have to be here constantly. I can trust people to make decisions, because at the end of the day, they are perfectly capable. Aside from that, I've also, because I realized like my problem was really in operations, I've recently hired an operations manager who's going to help us to streamline our operations, because I realized it's something that I'm really weak in, and because I'm so invested, I can't separate myself.
So the journey from 7 months ago, we've experienced great growth from the time I got into OMP. Which was around March last year, till now. I think we've pretty much almost doubled in terms of the business. So and a lot of that has been thanks to OMP. We were able to put in the right structures, put in the right departments, and actually making them work.
The fact that you are able to put structures in the business then helps you to have a bird's eye view of things, and also gives you time to be able to do more strategic things in your business other than being very operational as a business owner. So right now I am proud to say that we recently set up South Sudan this year, because I had the time to think about how we can be able to develop business in South Sudan. We were able to set up Uganda about a year ago while I was going through the OMP program. Also purely because I can now have time to be more strategic in my thinking. And now with a structure, then you have various people owning and running various parts of the business, and therefore you're left to really manage and take care of the more strategic issues of the business. A lot of us business owners, we start our businesses out of passion. Now, when you're passionate about your business, you tend to be the one doing literally everything.
At the end of the day, if you want that business to grow, if you want a legacy, you need to learn how to involve other people. You need to empower other people, and I think that's what programs like OMP help you do.
The best thing about it, it's not just an educative course, but it's actually what you'd call customized business course. So it looks at the challenges that business owners go through and customizes lessons around it.